Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Monday, March the 15th, and for Tuesday, March the 16th. The assignment for Monday the 15th and Tuesday the 16th was located in the Q3 Week 8 folder. We have the rise and fall of ancient Greece, and we will be finishing up the week with Alexander the Great. So that's that charcoal gray folder. It's located in Monday's white folder, and it is entitled Rise and Fall of Greek City-States. So the directions say to watch the 3 videos below to learn about the 3 important time periods in the history of ancient Greece. Then use the information learned to create a discussion post that explains the rise and fall of Greek city-states. In your own words, explain what happened to allow the Greek city-states to gain power, and then what caused them to lose power. So it's really just describing how Greece became very, very powerful to the height of Greece, sometimes called the Golden Age. And then you will also describe how Greece began to fall apart based on the information gained from these 3 videos in this assignment. The videos vary in length. The first one's a little bit longer. It's about 14 minutes. And then the last 2 are about 3 or 4 minutes. So students will create that discussion post. It should be about 2 or 3 minutes long. For students that are at home, it's probably beneficial to take notes on a piece of paper as you watch the video to gather your ideas. And feel free to use your classmates' posts as an example, because students that have done this already have done a phenomenal job. Just make sure that you're utilizing your own words. So on Tuesday's Google Meet, that's what we talked about. We reviewed, make sure that students knew what the expectations were for that assignment. And then we also previewed what we'll be doing on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. So to jump back into this week's folder, located in Wednesday's orange folder, is the Alexander the Great document analysis. So I told students to hold off with the warm-up and the short Alexander the Great video until Wednesday, but I told them that they could take a look at the Alexander the Great document analysis if they'd like to ahead of time. So when students click on that and open it up, it will look like this. And this chart is a little bit of a challenging assignment, but students will utilize the readings, and the readings are color-coded for them to fill out the chart. So the first one is Plutarch, and they will answer a couple questions for each source about Alexander the Great. The first they will answer is when it was written, and do you think this author is reliable? Why or why not? Thinking about when it was written and who wrote it. And then based on this reading, do you believe that Alexander the Great... does this author believe that Alexander was great? And students will answer that yes or no, and they will include at least one evidence from the text, one piece of evidence from the text to support that answer. So Plutarch's document is in the blue. It's on the next page. Students will read that and answer those questions appropriately, and they will kind of slide back and forth between the questions. And it is my plan on Thursday during our live Google Meet to answer any questions about this document, as well as maybe do 1 or 2 together. So you can see that there's 6 documents here. If you split up your time wisely, for social studies, 3 and 3 on Wednesday and Thursday would probably be a good idea before we get to the final assignment, which you will use this chart to write a short letter pretending you are a general in Alexander the Great's army. So students will get started on this on Wednesday. If you have any questions working on this on St. Patrick's Day, please feel free to let me know. I will see everybody live for their Google Meet on Thursday. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.